Anyone can say the 5 points, the 5 formulae yesterday's regarding arithmetic progression. Somasekara can say. Somasekara, is it audible? Somasekara, my voice to you.
Yes, sir.
Tell the 5 formulae. Meanwhile, others will join. Start. But no sound, Somasekara. Not giving any sound. You are not responding. Somasekara, I don't know. Now, who will say? Can anyone say? Anyone able to say the 5 formulae? What we told yesterday, the 5 formulae. Irtika, you tell them, Irtika.
The sum of the first n terms of AP is S is equals to n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 of D.
Yes. Good. Next.
The sum of first n positive integers is Sn is equals to n of n plus 1 by 2.
Very good. Next 3 more left. Good.
The sum of all terms of AP is S is equals to n by 2 of A plus L.
Very good. If you know first term and last term, particularly this formula you can use. If you know first term and last term, that means the series is finite AP, we can use this formula. Good. Next. 2 more left. Next. Nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Sn is An equal to nth term of an AP. An is equal to what you can say?
A plus
n
minus
n minus 1 of D. N minus 1 into T. An equal to nth term. An equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. Then last one I told that one last point I told arithmetic mean. If A, B, C are in AP, then B is equal to A plus C by 2, where B is called the arithmetic mean of A and C. Where B is called the arithmetic mean of A and C. Okay, these are the minimum. These 5 formula you have to learn in this topic. Okay. Now already how many are joined? 16. Okay, can start. See the second sum. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common and difference D are given. You have to write the first 4 terms. A equal to 10, D equal to 10. First 4 terms. Can anyone say? A equal to 10, D equal to 10. You have to write 4 terms.
A is equal to 10, 20,
Yes.
30, 40.
Very good. First term is 10, second term is 20, third term is 30, term is okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. Then next one. A equal to minus 2 and D equal to 0. D 0. 4 terms. First
Minus 2,
yes.
minus 2, minus 2.
All minus 2.
Same.
All minus 2 only. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and so on. Okay, you told right only 4 terms, na 4 terms enough. Next, third one. A equal to 4, D equal to minus 3, amma. A equal to 4, D equal to minus 3.
7, 10.
Sorry. Minus 3.
1,
Minus 3.
1,
Minus 3 by.
minus 2.
Now once again tell. Ritika start.
1 minus 2.
4, 1, minus 2, minus 5.
Very good. Very good, Meghana. 4, first term is 4, minus 1, again minus, sorry, wait. 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Okay, 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Good. Next, fourth bit. A equal to minus 1, D equal to half. A equal to minus 1, D equal to half. You can tell anyone. You can try it. 4 terms. First 4 terms.
A is equal to minus 1, minus 1 by 2,
Very good.
0,
0. Good.
0, 1 by 2.
Very good. 1 plus 1 by 2. Minus 1,
Plus 1.
minus 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 you are adding na. Minus 1, minus half, 0, 1 by 2. Good. Now last one, fifth one. Minus 1.25, D equal to minus 0.25. A equal to minus 1.25, D equal to 0.25. Minus 0.25. Are you trying, Meghana? Any others? Others can't try. Only Meghana is trying. Others? Okay, tell Meghana, you tell.
Minus 1.25.
Very good. Tell loudly.
Minus 1.50.
Very good. Minus 1.50. Good. Next.
Minus 1.75.
Minus 1.75. Good. Next.
Minus 2.0.
Minus 2.0. Good. Minus 1.25. Minus 1.50. Minus 1.75. Minus 2.0. Good. Understand all others? Are you following others? Okay, na others? Okay. Now, see in third sum. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. You have to write the first term and their common difference only. The series is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Tell me first term, common difference. Meghana, you wait. We'll give chance to others. Meghana, you wait. We'll give chance to others. They will respond. They'll give the answers. Any others? Meghana, you wait. Hey, boys, you tell by boys. Boys, any boy? Arey, Somasekara, you're not responding. Somasekara, are you there or not? Is it audible, Somasekara, my voice to you? Is there? Somasekara is there. Tell me A and D. Any other? Hussein, you will say Hussein.
Sir, A is 3.
Yes.
D is minus 2.
Very good. 1 minus 3. A2 minus A1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Good. Now in second bit. Hussein, you only.
Minus 5.
Very good. Minus
4.
5.
Minus 5 plus 4.
Minus 5 plus 4. Good. Minus 1 minus of minus 5 means plus 5. So you'll get plus 4. A equal to minus 5. D equal to plus 4. Yes. Next. In third bit.
1 by 3.
A equal to 1 by 3.
C is equal
4 by 3.
D equal to 4 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 4 by 3. Good. Fourth bit.
6 by 10.
You can write direct decimal or you can write direct
0.9. 0.6. 0.6.
6, 1.1. 0.6. 0.6. B is equal to
0.9.
1.
No, sorry.
0.6.
1.1 only. Hussein, 1.1 only.
1.1.
Adding
1.7
1.1.
minus 0.6, 1.1 only. Okay, A equal to 0.6, D equal to 1.1 only. Good. Next. Now you see fourth one. Which of the following are APs? Your APs are not. You have to tell first. If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Next 3 terms you have to write, Amma. You have to write the common difference and you have to write next 3 terms. Is it okay? Now first one, is it in AP or not? First you tell. 2, 4.
Sir,
No, sir.
sir, 2 plus 2. 2 is the common difference.
4 plus 2 not there, na, bhai. 4 plus 2 is not there, na.
Plus 16 also not there, sir.
That's why this is not in a. So this is not in a
AP.
AP.
The common difference is not same everywhere. Here first 2 is there, next 4, next 8. So this is not in AP. Clearly see, understand everyone. The first bit is not in AP. Why? Because the difference is not same everywhere. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6 you have to get, but here he gave 8. 8 plus 8, 16, wrong. So this is not in AP, leave it. If it is not in AP, no need to write anything. Now coming to second bit, Amma. Is it in AP or not? Tell first. Is it in AP or not? Second bit. Anyone? Or I have to tell? Anyone? Arey Nitish, give the answer, Nitish Kumar, you give the answer. Nitish, are you there or not? Is it audible, my voice? Hussein, you tell. Hussein, okay.
Not in AP, sir.
Why? Because, why boy, Hussein, you had to
Sir, -1. All differences are -1, sir.
Arey,
D
wrong.
equal to -1/2, sir.
Plus 1 by 2.
D
plus
equal
1
to
by 2.
-1/2.
Plus 1 by 2, Litish.
Plus 1/2. Plus 1/2.
5.5 means
Plus 1/2, sir.
Good. Y by 2 means 2.5. 2.5 minus 2, half plus half. Again 2.5 plus half, 3. 3.5 is nothing but 7 by 2 only. This is 5 by 2 means 2.5, Amma. 7 by 2 means 3.5. Okay. Now it is in AP only. The common difference is 1 by 2. Now, can you tell the next 3 terms? Litish Reddy, can you tell the next 3 terms? Litish Reddy. Next 3 terms you have to say.
Common difference -2.0.
Arey, which sum you are telling? Arey?
Difference
Only
-2.0.
by second bit only. Next 3 terms you have
Third
to
sum.
say. You tell second bit only. You have to tell second bit only. Next 3 terms. 3 by 2 after next term what here?
4, 9/2.
Huh?
4.
Very good. 4.
9 by 2. 4 9 by 2.
Very good.
9
4,
by
9 by 2.
4
Next.
9 by 2.
5.
5
Good.
11 by 2.
11 by 2.
11 by 2.
9 by 2, 5 Amma.
11/2.
6 13 by 2.
3 terms
by
enough.
6
3
13
terms
by 2.
enough. 4, 9 by 2, 5. 4, 9 by 2, 5. Now we come to here. Start bit. It is in AP, I think. It is in AP.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
-2.0.
What is the
Minus
common
2.0.
difference? Huh?
-2.0.
-2.0.
No. Minus 2.0 not plus 2.0 na minus 2.0 na. Okay,
Plus,
minus
plus.
2.0. Okay, minus 2.0. Good. Minus 2.0. Now next 3 terms.
-9.2.
-9.2.
-2.
-11.2.
-12.2.
-13.2.
13.2.
Very good. Minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus
9.2
9.2.
minus 11 by 2.
13.2.
Minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2, Amma. All are following or not, everyone? Understanding, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to fourth bit. You tell me the fourth bit. Is it in AB or not?
No.
Better to say one student. All will say means disturbance. Tell me one student. If he is not tell, we'll give chance to others.
No, sir.
Yes or no?
Not in arithmetic progression.
Array, it is in arithmetic
sir.
progression only, boy. It is in arithmetic progression only. Is it true or not, Amma? Anyone? Anyone?
Yes,
accept
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Four, sir.
Huh?
4, sir.
Four, sir. Four difference.
Plus 4. The difference is plus 4, Amma.
Plus four.
Plus 4. Minus 6 minus 10 means plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 means minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 means plus 2. Next 3 terms. Next 3 terms.
Plus 6.
Plus 6.
Plus 10.
Plus 10.
Plus four. Plus
Plus
14.
14.
Very good. Plus 6 plus 10 plus 14. Plus 6 plus 10 plus 14. Good. It is in AP, Babu, Somasekara. Descending order. Negative. This is a plus 4. If you add, you will get it is in AP only. Now coming to Hirama. Fifth bit. Is it in AP or not? You have to say. Fifth bit. Is it in AP or not? You have to respond. Anyone? Now anyone?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, it is in AP. Good.
Root 2, sir.
That the common
Difference is
difference
root
is
2.
root 2. 3 plus root 2 added.
Root 2.
Root 2 adding. Now next 4 terms, Amma. Next 3 terms. You have to tell next 3
3 plus 4 root 2.
3 plus 4 root 2.
3
Good.
plus 4 root 2. 3 plus 5
3
root
plus
2.
5 root 2.
Yes.
3 plus 6 root 2.
Very good. 3 plus 4 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 6 root 2. The common difference is root 2 you are adding every time. Good. Now sixth one, Amma. Is it in AP or not? You have to say now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Common difference is not same
No, sir.
everywhere. Here difference is my 0.02. Here difference is 0.002. Again difference is 0.002. That's why it is not in AP. It is not in AP. Good. Next, seventh one.
Yes, sir.
Minus four.
Minus 4. Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 16. Minus 16. Minus 20.
Minus 16, minus 20,
Minus 16, minus 20, minus
minus
24.
24.
Very good, very good. Minus 16, minus 20, minus
Minus 24.
Good, good. Now till now this one, Amma. 8th bit.
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
in AP.
sir.
Common
Zero,
difference.
sir.
Common
Zero,
difference.
common.
Zero.
Zero.
Next 4 terms are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2,
Minus 1
minus
by
1 by
2,
2.
Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2.
Okay, now in this up to here, first bit is not in AP. Yes, and sixth bit is not in AP. Only those two are not in sixth only, Amma. Correct, Amma? Remaining all are in AP only. Is it true or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
You go to next page. Full exercise you only told. You are good. Now, 9th bit, Amma.
No, sir.
It is not in AP. Why? The difference is 2
no.
here. Here 2, here 6, here nearly, I think, 18. That's why it is not in AP. That's why the series is not in AP. Now, 10th one.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Difference
it is
is-
in AP. Yes.
Difference is 1.
Difference is A.
Difference
One,
is
sir.
A. 1 enter.
1 A.
Era.
1 A, sir.
1 A.
1 A.
1 A.
1 A.
Good. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, next 3 terms. Next 3 terms.
5 A, 7 A.
5 A, 7 A. 5 A, 6 A, 7 A.
5A, 6A, 7A. Good. Common difference is A. This is in AP. Next, 11th one.
Difference is A1.
Huh?
A power of 1.
A and A power of 1 difference. The A power of 1 difference that is
Yes.
A square, AQ, A power 4 means A into A square. When you are multiplying, you are getting. If you are multiplying, if you are getting, it is not in AP.
Yes, sir.
Multiplying, if you are getting, that series is not in AP. That series in GP. That geometric progression for us not there. Only we have arithmetic progression. So this is not in AP. A into A square into A cube, a cube into a power 4. But this is not in AP. 10th one is in AP. By adding, you are getting. But here multiplying. That's why 11th one is not in. You understand the difference? 10th one, 11th one difference, Amma. In 10th one, by adding a, you are getting. Here by multiplying a, you are getting. That's why this is not in AP. Understand, everyone? Babu, Santosh. Is it clear, Santosh?
Yes,
To
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
12th one. 12th one. Now what about 12th one? Can anyone say? Is it in AP or not? Crucial bit.
No, sir.
Huh? No means the fellow he told wrong. Told wrong. How I can explain or any other will can say? I'm yes that Baji Sridhar is telling no. To whom you will support?
Sir.
Ah,
AP, sir. AP.
how? Explain.
It is in AP, sir.
Explain. Huh?
Explain, sir.
We'll explain. We'll ask others. Wait. If anyone can say, we can see.
Sir, root 2 plus root 8, 10, sir.
Ah,
Then here 8 and 18 are different.
no, not like that. Not like that.
You explain, sir.
I will explain, Meghna. Don't worry, I will explain. If anyone try to tell the answer, I am trying. I want to answer. That's why I am trying. That's all. Nothing is there. Okay. Now, already root 8 means how we can write, Amma? Simplest.
2 root 2.
Very good. 2 root 2. Root 18 means? Root 18 means?
3 root 2.
3 root 2. Root 32.
4 root 2.
Very good. Now we can say first one is root 2, next one 2 root 2, next one 3 root 2, next one 4 root 2. By adding root 2, we are adding root 2. Root 2 plus 2 root 2. 2 root 2 plus root 2. 3 root 2. 3 root 2 plus root 2. 4 root 2. Understand? Root 8 means how you are getting 2 root 2. Meghna, you know? Meghna. I have to explain this also. Root 8
Understood,
means
sir.
4 into 2, Amma. Root 8 means 4. 4 2s are 8. Root 4 means 2. 2 root
Yes,
2. Root 18 means 9 into 2. Root 9 means 3 root 2. 16 2 means 16 2s are 32. Root 16 means 4. So now we can change this one in this way. Root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. So the common difference is root 2 and remaining 3 terms are the series is in AP. The remaining 3 terms are what can say? Next 3 terms, Amma.
Root 50.
5 root 2. Okay, root 50 only. 5 root 2, 6 root 2,
6 root 2, 7 root 2.
5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2. Root 50, you can say 5 root 2 means root 50, 6 root 2, 72, root 72, and 7 root 2 means root 98. Okay, root 50, 72, root 98. But because we have to know root 8 means 2 root 2, root 18 means 3 root 2, root 32 means 4 root 2. Clear, Amma? Litish Reddy, understand Litish Reddy? Litish Reddy, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now
Yes,
see
yes, sir.
13th one, Amma. Okay, 13th one.
Root 3, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
No.
It is not AP, sir.
It is not in AP. Good. It is not in AP. Root 3 into root 6 means root of 3 into 2. Into root 2. This one root 9 means 3. This one root 12 means 2 root 3. So it is not in AP. Not in Digjal. Root 3, root 6, 3, 2 root 3. It is not in AP. This is not in AP, Amma. This is not in AP. And now coming to here. 14th one. Is it AP or not? Is it in AP or not?
AP.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Not in AP, sir.
No,
You
sir.
can- 1 square means how much, Amma? 1 square means
1.
1.
1.
Means
1.
3 square means 9.
9.
5 square. 5 square.
25.
25.
7 square.
49.
49.
So 1 9
49.
difference 8. 9 25 difference 9 25 16. So this is not in AP. 8 16 24 like the difference you are getting. It is not in AP. Now last one, Amma. 15th one. Last one.
In AP, sir. Yes, in AP, sir.
1 square means 1.
1.
5 square.
25.
25. 7 square.
49.
49. 73. Difference is see. Difference 24. Here also 24. Here also 24. 49 plus 24, 73. Now next 3 terms, someone. D is 24. Next 3 terms. You have to add
97.
24. Huh?
97.
97. Good. Next. Good. Next.
121.
97 plus 24. 121.
121.
121. Next.
145.
145.
Enough. 97, 121, 145. Okay. Now which are not in AP means once again I'm explaining. 14th one is not in AP. 13th one is not in AP. 11th one is not in AP. 9th one is not in AP. And the previous one is not in AP. 6th one is not in AP. 1 is not in AP. 6th one is not in AP. 9th one is not in AP. 11th one is not in AP. 13th one is not in AP. 14th one is not in AP.
14th.
Remaining all are in AP. Common difference and next 4 terms. Ma, you can do it. This exercise without keeping PDF. You can write.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Addition PDF.
No, sir.
Sir.
Yesterday you send a PDF. Yesterday. Okay, you try.
First sum.
Send a PDF tomorrow. You try it. Tomorrow full sum I will. First sum also I not send. For first sum also I will send. You try it today. Either in confident you can write in class or book. You try it today. Tomorrow I can keep PDF 5.1 exercise. You try it today. Okay. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Tomorrow I
Okay,
can
sir.
give you a full exercise. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Now we are entering into nth term of an APM. The formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. That means A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of terms. Babu Santosh, A29 means N equal to 29. A29
Yes, sir.
means the series having 10 terms. Sorry, 29 terms. That's why
Yes, sir.
A29 is equal to what you can say, Santosh?
A plus 28D.
Very good. A plus 28D. Good. Boy. Clarify.
Sir, minus. Sorry,
Yes.
minus 29. A is equal to minus 29.
A equal to minus 29, nothing is there. The A equal to minus 29 means first term is minus 29, you said. A equal to minus 29 means first term is minus 29. That's all. Ma, mute, Santosh, sound. Somebody is shouting. Okay. So A equal to minus 29 means first term is minus 29. That's all. Nothing you can say. Okay. An equal to minus 29 means the last term is minus 29. An equal to minus 29 means the last term is equal to minus 29. Okay. And now we are entering into the exercise 5.2 completely nth term formula only, Amma. But in the exam, you will not give separately. This is nth term formula. You have to use it. You have to use sum of n terms. You have to think. When you are listening only, you concentrate. Otherwise, you will get confused. Whether you have to use nth term or you have to use sum of n terms, you will get confused. So no need to get confused. But in the textbook, what he will do? He will do all exercise nth term formula, all xi is sum of n terms formula, like that is separated. But actually should not separate in that way. That's why you are getting in the exam confusing. Whether you have to use nth term formula or you have to use sum of n terms formula. You clearly read the question 1 or 2 times. He gave nth term or sum of n terms. Difference is there, Amma. In the pronunciation, the difference is there. Find 16th term of an AP. Means what you have to find? Tell me. Find 16th term of an AP. What you have to find, Amma? In the question you asked, find the 16th term of an AP. Means what? Meghna? You tell me. Find 16th term of an AP.
Nth term.
Nth term.
That means A16 you have to find. A16 you have to find. You have to use nth term formula. You have to use nth term
Yes, sir.
formula. Okay.
Nth term.
Okay. Find
Okay, sir.
term of an AP means you have to use nth term formula. Okay. Otherwise, if you ask question in this way, find sum of 20 terms of an AP. Find sum of first 20 terms of an AP. Means find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP means what you will use? Which formula you will use?
Sum of the first n terms.
Yes, sum of first n terms. Very
General
good.
form.
SN formula. SN formula, you have to use it. Good. Sum of first n terms means you have to use SN formula. Like this. You don't need to confuse. And where you get confused means you can ask the question like this. You see, now I am giving question. There you will get confused. Find the sum of third term and fourth term. Find the sum of third term and fourth term is the sum of, find, you remove it, the sum of fourth term and sixth term is 20. The sum of fourth term and sixth term is 20. Then what you will write? You understand my sentence? Is it audible, my sentence to you? The sum of
Yes, sir.
fourth term and sixth term is 20. Fourth term and sixth term is 20. How you can write it? Anyone? Irtika, you understand? Irtika? Irtika,
Yes, sir.
tell me. You tell. The sum of fourth term and sixth term is 20. That is given in the question. Then how you write it? Any other boys? Niti, Ritika also getting doubt. Any other? Hussein. Goodbye, Hussein. Hussein. Is it audible, my voice? Hussein, to you. Hussein.
Sir,
The sum of fourth term and sixth term is 20. The sum of fourth term and sixth term is 20.
Sum of the first n terms formula.
No, that's why you should not use sum of first n terms formula. Sum of fourth and sixth term means A4 plus A6. A4 plus A6 is equal to 20. A4 means A plus 3D. A4 means A plus 3D. A6 means A plus 5D is equal to 20. Here only you'll get confused. See the sentence. Second sentence, what I told, the sum of first 20 terms of an AP, I said, means you have to use SN formula. But now what I told, the sum of fourth term and sixth term is 20. Fourth term I told clearly, sixth term I told. So the total is 20 means A4 plus A6 is equal to 20. A4 plus A6 is equal to 20. A4 means A plus 3D plus A plus 5D is equal to 20. Then you'll get one equation. So like that, you will get confused. There only you will get confused. in that sentence only. One more sentence I'll tell. Already we have in 3 minutes time. Tomorrow you can start 5.2. The sum of 7th term and 9th term is 40. The sum of 7th term and 9th term is 40.
A plus 60 plus A plus
plus A plus
80.
80 is equal to 40.
Very.
Is equals to
A9 plus, good. A9 plus A7 equal to 40. A9 means A plus 8D plus A plus 6D is equal to 40. Like that, you have to understand the difference between nth term, sum of n terms. See the difference you have to catch. Otherwise, you'll get confused, more confused. When you're doing textbook, you can give an order exercise wise. In this exercise, you're using only nth term formulas. In the 5.3, we use only a sum of n terms, or like that you are giving in the textbook. But in the exam, you will get confused. Whether you have to use here nth term formula or SN formula. That confusion should remove it from your brain. I think you understand very well. Tomorrow, once again, I'll explain this and I can start 5.2. Try to do 5.1 in rough book. Tomorrow, I can share PDF. Then you can write in class or book. I told introduction part to write in class or book. Yesterday when I said that. I think you have written in class or book. Don't keep pending, Namma. Directly you can write a first term or I don't know how September 5th they said that. Okay? Only 1 minute time. Okay, you are going to automatically